Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Incredible images of sloth bear backing down to tiger. Although fish constitute the main diet of seagulls, they are also open to many opportunities on land. This one found a rabbit. There is a horse that is born black but turns white as it ages. The Lipizan can be found in European countries such as Austria, Croatia, Hungary, and Slovenia. Gen Z is saving more of their money than any other generation, with 60% saving regularly, reveals a study. Japan equipped trains with speakers that emit deer snorts and dog barks to reduce collisions. Real friends don't get offended when you insult them, they smile and call you something even more offensive. We are more attracted to individuals with bigger eyes. Every May, Shia village, Guyana holds an ant festival. The highlight is the contest of who can hold the most ants. Too much sugar is equal to pancreas overload. The English term bonkers for madness only applies to concussions caused by being bonked on the head. Skipping water is equal to kidney trouble. Fork trucks are not named for their lifting forks but for the forked pin holding their turning wheels on. This is what allows them to turn so tightly. Overthinking is equal to brain burnout. The total amount of water needed to fill all the water balloons produced each year is greater than the total amount of water on earth. Bulls remember every cow they ever see. Nature's hidden gem, the blue cormorant, has eyes that shines like crystals. In Japan, the size of the food shown on packaging is often the same as the actual size of the product inside. Chewing only became acceptable way of eating in the 1800s. Before that, people would chop their food into small chunks and swallow those whole. Squids have one of the sharpest and most powerful beaks in the animal kingdom. Queen bees are often given a crown of leaves made by her worker bees. Copper can destroy undesirable virus and bacteria. Ayurveda recommends storing water into copper vessels. Ancient Indians throw copper coins in rivers, lakes, ponds, and wells to destroy bacteria and virus. It makes practical sense to have an all-female crew for the first manned mission to Mars. On average, female astronauts require 29% less oxygen, 26% fewer calories, and 18% less water than their male counterparts. The platypus is possibly the weirdest animal. It's a mammal but lays eggs. It's duck-billed, beaver-tailed, otter-footed, and venomous. It has electroreceptors for locating prey, eyes with double cones, no stomach, and 10 chromosomes. It's fluorescent and glows under UV light. 10 most followed religion in the world. David Letterman, who maintained a C average during his academic years, established a scholarship aimed at supporting the average student. He recognizes that academic performance is not the sole indicator of a student's potential, as many individuals excel in various other capacities. Repelling bugs with essential oils. Women's glove lens. Full body cleanse. Liver, lungs, digestive tract, blood, skin, and kidneys. How to pack. Lay luggage flat and wide open. Pack rolled clothing to fill the uneven bottom of the luggage. Rolled clothing again. Outwear. Insert accessories, shoes to corners. Put socks inside shoes beforehand. Thinking of resigning, collect these documents first. Relieving letter. Experience certificate.
Can you hear the sound?
F and F statement, full and final settlement.
Things about to change, it's evolution. Once you shake the ground, you feel it moving.
Form 16.
Can you hear the sound?
Salary slips last 3 to 6 months. Provident Fund details. No objection certificate.
Now back and tell know what we're doing. Things about to change, it's evolution. Voices shake the ground, you feel it moving. We're the
Non-disclosure agreement.
You always want you.
Medical or insurance records.
You have it, you can. Still my heart, the moment
References.
says on it. How do you know? How you feel?
Thanks for watching.